Ever wondered how to set up a brand new user in Salesforce the right way? Whether you're an admin onboarding teammates or expanding your org, knowing how to do this correctly saves time and prevents access headaches. Today, I'll walk you through a polished, step-by-step guide to creating a Salesforce user in 2025, fast, clean, and stress-free. Start by logging into your Salesforce org with an account that has admin privileges. Once you're in, head over to the gear icon in the top right corner and click Setup. This takes you behind the scenes, where all user management happens. Inside Setup, move to the left-hand sidebar and search for Users. You'll see a section labeled Users or Manage Users, depending on your edition. Click on it to open the full user list. From here, look for the New User button near the top. That begins the process. Now you're on the user creation form, and this is where accuracy matters. Start with the basics: first name, last name, and email address. Salesforce will automatically generate a username, but make sure it's formatted like an email and is unique across all Salesforce environments, not just yours. Next, check the alias and nickname fields. They'll auto-populate, but you can customize them if needed. The role and user license are the most important parts of this screen. The license defines what type of access they get, like Salesforce, Salesforce, Platform, or Partner Community, so pick the one that matches their job. The profile below it controls permissions, object access, and visibility. Choose carefully, as this determines what the user can actually do once logged in. You can optionally assign a role within your organization's hierarchy. This helps with reporting and data visibility. Under that, you'll see options related to locale, language, and time zone. Confirm those match the user's region, so things like date formats and time fields display correctly. Scroll down and check the box that says Generate New Password and notify user immediately if you want Salesforce to email their login link. If you prefer to set and deliver the credentials manually, leave it unchecked. Before saving, quickly review everything you entered. Typos in usernames or license assignments can create problems later. Once everything looks good, click Save. Salesforce will create the user instantly. If you enabled email notification, the user gets a message with their login instructions. From here, you can assign permission sets, add them to queues, or update their roles anytime. And that's it. Creating a Salesforce user doesn't have to be confusing when you know exactly where to click and what each field means. If this helped you feel more confident managing your org, stick around for more bite-sized Salesforce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.